So is this yet another attempt by Raj Thackeray to try and stir parochial passions in Maharashtra? Joining us on debate number 2 tonight is Pawan Verma, Member of Parliament of the Rajya Sabha of the JDU, Sandeep Deshpande, spokesperson of the MNS, Nawab Malik of the NCP, Aarti Sathe, spokesperson for the BJP, and Prem Shukla, senior journalist, also live with us from Mumbai. Sandeep Deshpande, I want to ask you first. Just a day after Raj Thackeray, your leader gives a call to burn auto rickshaws. Actually, it is done in Mumbai. Will your party today take responsibility for that act of arson?
No, actually, I want to make it very clear. Today, we are given a stay for this particular agitation because of the yesterday's incident of burning the autos. Because Raj Sahib has made it very clear that only the new autos for which the permit will be given, that should be burned. No, but
so that is very, very magnanimous of you. So you are advocating partial arson. Only new auto rickshaws should be burned.
Let me finish, or you talk, or I'll keep mum. You talk.
No, but sir, you are actually justifying
the criminal act
by saying our call was only to burn new auto rickshaws.
Let me finish my thing. Let me finish it. Then you can talk.
Okay, go on.
Okay, thank you. So we are given a temporary stay. And we are given several representations to the state government saying that all the Marathi people should be accommodated in this permit system. But if the government is not listening to us, there is no alternative for us but to go for an extreme state.
But to burn. Are you saying that you will burn auto rickshaws just because you want to make a point? Pawan Verma, is that something that can be... Pawan Verma, can this be taken as a criminal offence really, which can be booked under several sections of the Indian Penal Code, given the fact that it's virtually trying to incite people to violence and arson?
Without a doubt, Padmaja, I think this self-styled, perverted Robin Hood of hate, Navika, self-styled, perverted Robin Hood of hate, who's running his private republic of violence, exclusion. He holds the state to ransom. Every now and then he issues a threat. And it's a violation not only of the Constitution, Article 14, 15, 16, 19, but a direct, cognizable offence under the Indian Penal Code. My question is, why doesn't anyone take action? What about the BJP itself? 100 of its 282 members come from UP and Bihar. Why are they quiet?
In fact, we'll ask Aarti Sathe that question. But Sandeep Deshpande, I think it has beautifully been summed up by Pawan Verma when he calls your leader a Robin Hood of hate. Again, I ask you, are you going to take responsibility for one man's auto rickshaw being burnt on the streets of Mumbai yesterday?
Whatever auto rickshaw will be burned in the future, if they are burned by my party, we will definitely take responsibility. We will not shy away from the responsibility.
But what about the one which has already been burnt? After the
Excuse me, that is not proved. That is not proved. You don't run a trial over here. You don't run a trial over here.
But when
I'm saying when we will burn, we will definitely take a responsibility. When we will burn, we will definitely take a responsibility. We will not take a responsibility of someone else. We will take responsibility of our own.
But it happened after the statement made by Raj Thackeray.
So somebody must have done it.
Even if it's not an MNS worker, the fact
you are not the judge to decide.
After the statement was made by Raj Thackeray,
investigate it. Let police investigate it, then we will decide about it.
You have retracted your protest. You haven't apologized for that statement, so that statement stands.
Of course, we don't apologize for that. We are still firm.
And it's too much of a coincidence, Navika.
That's right.
Of course.
Pawan Verma is right. It's too much of a coincidence that an auto rickshaw is burned a day after a statement is made by Raj
Mr. Pawan Verma comes from a state where women cannot go after 7 o'clock. So they don't need to teach me. What I'm supposed to do in my state.
The women are safe in Bihar, so don't change the topic.
So that your
what kind of hate politics is this?
You improve your own state so that your people don't come from Maharashtra, make an improvement in your state so that they get a job opportunity in your own state.
Article 19 allows Indians to settle anywhere and to pursue an occupation.
We are very well.
Are you above the Constitution of India?
Mr. Pawan Verma, improve your states, make some developments in your states,
Surviving
so that
on
your
the
people won't come here.
ethnicities of
Your
hate.
people have become burden for Maharashtra. Okay?
Mr. Deshpande,
Your
why
people have
Maharashtra
become
is not
burden
your
for
private
us.
chiefdom.
Improve your own states.
Who are
so
you
that,
to stop
so that
them?
we don't feel
Who are
burden
you to
of them.
stop them?
Improve
Why
your own
should
states.
anyone who wants to
Make a
move across
development in your
states
states so that your
be
people
thinking
get
that
all
they
the
will
job
have to face
opportunities
the
in your own
MNS.
state. They don't have
And
to
who
come
are
to
you to
Maharashtra
speak
and
for
Mumbai.
Maharashtra?
By the way,
You first do these things, then give a lecture to everybody.
Mr. Deshpande, you are lecturing the
Who
JDU
are you to
improve
speak
Bihar
for
so that
Maharashtra?
people feel safe
You are
there,
a
women feel safe
sidelined
there.
minority, minuscule presence who survives on
people
hatred and
who are
violence
just
and
trying to
exclusion.
earn their
Who are you to
livelihood
speak for
in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra?
You don't teach me all these things. You better develop your own state. You are an MP.
You learn it
what
yourself.
you have done in your own state. You have created massacre.
You learn
in
it
your own state.
yourself.
And you are
This
teaching
is
me.
modern India.
You are teaching me.
You are not living in medieval times.
Mr.
Make some
Deshpande,
development in your own
I
state.
can't
so
teach
that
you. I don't try the
all the
impossible.
job opportunities in your own
Mr.
state. They don't have to
Deshpande.
migrate to Maharashtra and Mumbai and
Mr.
become a burden over
Deshpande,
us.
when you are on a debate, you have to listen to the questions as well. Mr. Deshpande, my
Of
question
course,
to
I'm
you is,
ready to listen.
okay, my question to you is, who are you to decide who will come into or go out of Maharashtra? According to the last information that we had received, this was a free country and movement between states was unrestricted. Anybody could come and go anywhere. There is no dual citizenship that you have to be a citizen of Bihar and then you can't be a citizen of Maharashtra. There is no such rule that applies. The constitution is the same for everybody. How can you keep out any North Indian or any Bihari or anybody from out of Maharashtra?
It's all vote bank politics. Search for
What kind
political
of
relevance.
politics are you trying to espouse?
If you want me
And
to
the
answer
fact
your
is you've
question,
tried this
then allow,
politics
give
in
me some
several
time. If you
elections.
want me to answer your question, give me some time.
You have tried this politics in several elections. It hasn't got you the desired results. You haven't got too much of traction on this kind of politics. Why are you preaching this kind of hate politics, Mr. Deshpande?
Shall I answer?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Now please don't interrupt it in between. Now let me tell you one thing. What is the capacity of this studio? Maybe 10 people or 15 people. But if you are pouring 100 people in this studio, how we can accommodate them? There are different states in India. Each and every state should make some development in their own state so that the local people should get the job
Mr.
opportunities.
Deshpande,
If they are
Maharashtra
not
does
doing
not
it,
belong
if
to
they are
you
not
for
doing
you to
it, and they are
magnanimously
pouring their
claim to
people in.
accommodate people.
So I told you not to interfere in my.
Yours.
See, I
You
told you
have
not
no
to
one to
interrupt when I am
accommodate them.
answering.
They have as
If
much
you are
right to live in
interrupting in every
Maharashtra as
answer,
you do.
I'm not going
but
to speak.
Nawab Malik,
I'm not going to speak.
is this,
I'm not going to
this,
speak.
this tired kind of parochialism which the MNS thinks
See,
that
okay,
out of
whatever,
fresh
it's your
ideas
channel,
they
you
think
can
they
speak
can resort
everything.
to again? This tired kind of hate politics and regionalism and parochialism. Nawab Malik.
Now are you going to...
See Navika, I want to ask some question to Deshpande.
Go ahead.
You have made a hatred politics in the state, divisive politics in the state, and people of Maharashtra had been rejected you. They doesn't have any kind of a faith in you. You cannot decide who will come here, who will do what. The law is there in the state. Under that law, rickshaw permits had been issued. If a person is a domicile of the Mumbai city or Maharashtra is eligible to get a rickshaw permit, you cannot prevent them to get a rickshaw permit. As far as your politics is concerned, I think there is some kind of a tactical understanding between the Bharatiya Janata Party and MNS. Since last 4 days, the provocative statement has been made. Why not a case is registered against him? Why not
Let's
he is
take that-
booked? Why he is
Let's
not
take that
arrested?
question, Nawab
And
Malik,
after
to
2
Aarti
days,
Sathe
we
of the
saying we are
BJP.
suspending our agitation on. Yeah.
Yeah, let's ask that question to the BJP, Aarti Sathe. That's the whole question. There is a statement made by Raj Thackeray. It can invite criminal proceedings. No arrest is made, no charge made against Raj Thackeray, and an auto rickshaw is burned the very next day. Why is the BJP, which is in government in Maharashtra, a silent spectator?
Well, let me start by saying that it's rather unfortunate that MNS has again started playing the divisive card and the parochial card, which we have never supported as the party, as BJP. if all the panelists on the channel have had a chance to go through the statement of the Home Minister, Mr. Ram Shinde, he has very categorically stated that the law will prevail in the state. If it's a law and order situation which is to be, which has to be addressed, let me complete. If it's a law and order situation which has to be addressed, necessary investigations are conducted.
This call was given.
The police have already conducted investigations. No, let me complete. Let me 1 minute. Dharmika, let me complete. Let me finish.
Before the act
no,
of
let me
arson,
finish.
not after with the perfunctory statement. And the representative of the MNS is sitting even now in the studio and claiming in the future when some action of arson takes place, we will take full responsibility.
Which is very sad. Which is very sad that he's making a statement. No, well, it's very sad that he's making a statement that they will still continue with the arson and they will still continue with burning the rickshaws. Let me first and foremost tell you that the figure of 70,000 new permits is absolutely incorrect. The real figure is around 35,000, out of which only 28,000 rickshaws really have been given the right
permits. That's not the law, Aarti Sathi, that's not the point. Those explanations should have happened
let me
before.
Let me complete what I have to say.
No, let me before. No, Aarti Sathi, you have to answer the question that is raised. Those explanations of whether they are 70,000 or 28,000 or
I am answering the question, but let me put it across in a fashion
which... The question is, Raj Thackeray made a statement nearly 72 hours ago. One auto rickshaw was burned within 24 hours of that statement being made. Why is the BJP government a silent spectator? Why has action not been taken? Why have cases not been registered?
We are not silent. That is exactly what I'm saying. That is exactly what I'm saying. Mr. Ram Shinde, the Home Minister, has made a categorical statement that investigations are being carried out. That the law and order situation.
But Ms. Aarti Sathi, have you lodged a case against the person who made the inflammatory statement? In this case, Raj Thackeray. There was an incitement to violence. Pawan Verma wants to come in. There was a clear incitement to violence.
I want to ask the question.
Yes, Mr. Verma, go ahead.
Lodging a complaint when the investigation process is going on.
My question is, is it enough?
What kind of?
Is it enough for the spokesperson of the BJP?
You are getting a question from Pawan Verma. Parliament of the JDU, why don't you answer him directly?
Promote this kind of arson, looting or any law and order.
Pawan Verma is asking a question.
My direct question is,
I couldn't hear the question which he has put.
Yes, Pawan Verma.
I'll just put the question again for you. That in the face of such a blatant breach of laws, an incitement to the breakdown of law and order by telling people to burn auto rickshaws, which is punishable under several provisions of the penal code,
which is very
quite apart from being a breach of the constitution.
No, it's not unfortunate.
I ask you quite clearly, is it enough? Is it enough? Let me finish the question. Let me finish the question. Let me finish the question. Is it enough to merely say the law will prevail? Why has the government not acted?
Continue.
Aarti Sathi, the question is that you are saying it's unfortunate is not enough. What is the action on the ground?
Let us first find out whether they are the MNS workers or somebody under the guise of the MNS workers.
Nawab Malik raises the same question. What is the great investigation that you are doing?
Please let me complete what I have to say. Otherwise, it's no point asking me a question.
No, but the question wasn't about your condemnation and investigating the act of arson. Pawan Verma's direct question was, I want to also get Nawab Malik in, but Pawan Verma's direct question was, you heard the man make the comment incitement to violence. He was making a comment that was a clear incitement to violence. Have you made out a case against him? Nawab Malik also wants to ask you a question. Yes, Mr. Malik, go ahead.
Miss Aarti, did you know there is a tussle between Shiv Sena and Bharatiya Janata Party? In forthcoming election, they want some kind of an instrument to be utilized. As an instrument, you are utilizing Manse, you are supporting them to get some share of the vote in Mumbai city. and keep a fierce situation in the migrants. Then they will vote you. This is a tactical understanding between MNS and Bharatiya Janata Party. That's why this kind of a politics has been started in Mumbai city.
Please.
Polarization, your old game, Aarti Sathe, and that's the question.
No,
Let me get in Prem Shukla.
This is a baseless allegation. The state is acting. The state is always responsible. Ministers have made statements. You can't get an investigative process hurried up in a matter of 2 days and 3 days.
Prem Shukla, Raj Thackeray makes a statement, really goes unnoticed for 72 hours, and auto rickshaw is burned. Why is the government silent? Shouldn't action have already been taken, or are we waiting for more arson and violent acts to be conducted by other people in the state?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. The government is taken action. The government will continue to take action. Police have gone and picked up people, and we are not going to tolerate breakdown of law and order. We are committed to that. And these baseless allegations that we are hand in glove with MNS is absolutely incorrect.
कन्हैया पर एक्शन लेने के चलते आपने उन पर जल्दी एक्शन क्यों ले लिया? बिना इंक्वायर किए कह रहे थे, सिटीजन का चार्ज क्यों लगा दिया पूछ रहे थे। वही राज ठाकरे के मामले में इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, इंक्वायरी शुरू हुई है, होम मिनिस्टर का स्टेटमेंट आया है, बावजूद ये कह रहे हैं कि उनको अरेस्ट क्यों नहीं कर लिया?
No, there's a difference.
क्यों नहीं ले लिया?
There's a difference.
अच्छा
there's a difference. I want to point it out.
100 दलितों का झोपड़ा बिहार में जला दिया जाता है, उस पर चुप्पी साधे बैठे रहते हैं, और वो महाराष्ट्र के मामले में जलाया गया। पुलिस कह रही है कि हो सकता है एक्सीडेंट हो, उस पर एक्शन चाहते हैं।
Countering you is Pawan Verma. Yes, Mr. Verma.
Padmaja, there's a simple question here. There is no ambivalence in the statement made by Mr. Raj Thackeray. He said those auto rickshaws should be burnt.
No one
it's
is
like somebody saying burn the houses.
But you were defending Kanhaiya Kumar.
It's a public speech.
He was making serious statements.
Absolutely.
You are supporting him.
Kanhaiya Kumar, we have discussed separately.
Yet
and we have discussed it on this channel.
An investigation is being
Here is your leader
on record.
Who made
a political leader has spoken asking people
that is Jungle Raj. That is solution.
Exactly. So we'll come back to Aarti Sathe and ask her exactly what is the point of this investigation. What really has been left to be investigated when the leader is on record asking people to indulge in violence. And again, we're going to try and ask the MNS who is going to be responsible for this reckless act of theirs if it results in more violence tomorrow.
Aarti Sathe, let me read out to you the exact translation of what Raj Thackeray said day before yesterday. He says, "Now I will tell you what to do. If you see any new auto rickshaws, autos with new number plates, autos that have new permits, if you see them on the roads, stop the auto, ask the passenger to get down, ask the driver to get down and set the auto rickshaw on fire. Without that, these people will not understand. I'm telling you about the new autos. Don't burn the old ones." Now, what are you waiting for, Aarti Sathe? This is the statement that he has made. What are the investigations, the great detailed investigations that the government is doing? This is a statement on record. If you don't have the statement with you, we can always send you the CD with the statement of Raj Thackeray and you can hear it for yourself. What are the great investigations that are going on, Aarti Sathe?
Okay, let me just begin by saying that we don't live in a democracy or a country where you just hear a statement and a person is picked up, but we live in a democracy and a country and a rule of law prevails here. When certain statements have been made which are unfortunate, like I said, but the process of law is such that investigations are going on to see which statement has caused the incitement. Then a proper charge sheet will be
whether Mr. Thackeray actually said what he has been seen on tape saying.
Please,
whether the man who's actually seen on tape is someone else masquerading as Raj Thackeray.
He absolutely said what he had to say.
Taking you on, both Pawan Verma and Nawab Malik.
Said what he had to say, but a charge sheet needs to be drawn up. A proper investigation team needs to sit on it,
there has to be an FIR,
documentation, the relevant charge sheet needs to be made out, and that's the due process of law. If you all are not willing to give the due process of law time, it's rather unfortunate.
Pavan Verma taking you on.
Navika.
Pavan Verma, before a charge sheet, is there an FIR that needs to be registered
Navika,
or not?
in fact,
Yeah.
the FIR should have been registered immediately after such a provocatory speech. This is a deliberate incitement to violence with the attempt to break down law and order. In fact, this qualifies for sedition given the constitutional provisions. This is Jungle Raj. The BJP sits on the fence and says we are investigating.
Absolutely
How many
not.
times has Mr.
Absolutely
Raj
not.
Thackeray
There have
held
been
the
so
state
many
to ransom?
instances of
Held the state
political
to
hate
ransom.
speeches all over the country. Not every leader has been picked up. It's absolutely incorrect to say it's Jungle Raj. When our Home Minister makes a statement, when I'm saying that
Okay,
the
then
police
yes.
officers in Andheri where the rickshaw was set ablaze has been carrying out the investigation, where we are saying that the FIR will be filed and a charge sheet will be filed.
Nawab Malik, is that
I think
sufficient?
that
The
is
Home Minister's
enough to
statement?
Madam, that is the
establish fact that
consequence of
government
his
is
speech.
taking steps. And you need to give time to the government
Madam,
to
that
come
is
to
the
certain
consequence of his
conclusions.
speech. His
There
You
is
cannot
speech
always
itself is
ad hoc
culpable.
make-
officer in that kind of a program.
It may be
They
a
must be
consequence of
having
the
a official
speech, but we
claim
have to
by
see
the
whether it fits
intelligence
into the
department.
provision of
Even they
153A,
are
if at
having
all,
a
for
lot
incitement.
But his speech is
people
culpable
available
under
in
the law.
country. What kind of a investigation they required? I think there is a tactical understanding between MNS and Bharatiya Janata Party to polarize the vote, to damage the Shiv Sena, as well as create
Why would there
fear
be a
psychosis
tactical
in
understanding?
migrants
Our Home
to
Minister
get
wouldn't
vote
come on
of
record
there.
to say.
This is
Our Home Minister, Mr. Ram
tactical
Shinde, wouldn't come on record to say that the
between
government is
Bharatiya
taking
Janata
steps.
Party
If there was a
and
tactical
MNS.
understanding, this is
You
a
are
completely
painting that
baseless
out to be a
allegation.
heroic
Mr.
act in
Malik,
defense of the
please
law.
check your
A
facts before
statement
you make
only.
these kind of allegations.
Is that what it is?
Please check
Sandeep
your facts before
Deshpande.
you make these allegations.
So this is an argument which hasn't really done anything for you, but if it helps polarize the voters, maybe benefits people, parties you have tacit understanding with, you've got nothing to lose. So let's just go back to that old stale line that you have against people from North India. Mr. Deshpande.
See, we have said it very clear and very categorically. Now the government wants to take any action. They are free to take their actions. We are ready to face all the legal consequences of the things, but we are very clear. We'll give justice to Marathi Manus in Maharashtra.
What does justice for Marathi
How
Manus?
does justice get delivered by your standards, Sandeep Deshpande?
All job
Do you mean
opportunities.
burning auto rickshaws?
All job opportunities, all whatever the facilities are available,
So what about
only
burning
Marathi
of auto
Manus will
rickshaws?
get,
Is that
not
the
the
way
people
you
from
give
UP and
justice?
Bihar. We are very clear. We are very
Mr.
clear. There is
Deshpande.
no second thought about it.
Mr.
There is no
Deshpande,
second thought about it. And
burning
Mr.
of
Pawan
auto-
Kumar, who is sitting in
It's
Bihar,
nothing
will teach us how to
short
run,
of amazing and
how the state of the
repulsive.
Maharashtra should run.
Mr. Sandeep
You will teach us.
Deshpande. Mr. Sandeep
So you will
Deshpande,
decide
do
who
you
will-
think
No, you will decide.
burning of auto rickshaws is what your
You are
justice
asking-
process
you are
is?
asking Ms.
Who are
Sathe-
you to give that justice? Who
No,
has
who are
put
you
the
to?
law in
who
your
are-
hand?
See, because you are doing some job in media, you are not the judge.
No, we are not
law
the
has to
judge.
be
We are
followed.
only questioning you. How can you make
You are
a
running a
statement
media
like this
trial.
and get away?
You are running a
We
media
are
trial.
only asking
As if
you.
you are a judge and you, whatever you decide is correct. It is
No,
not
no,
the
sir.
thing.
What we are
It
saying
not the
is in
thing.
the Constitution of
It is
India,
not the
where a
thing.
person has the freedom to travel across the borders of states. You are no one to decide and say,
It comes
we
with
are
the
very clear
duties.
people from
It
UP and
comes with
Bihar
the
will not
duties.
An
come.
occupation.
Who
Comes with
gives
the
you the
duties.
right?
It comes with the duties.
Pawan Verma.
When I'm-
Pawan Verma
when
versus
I'm
Mr.
staying
Deshpande,
in my
please.
own state, I don't have
It's
any
very
right for my
simple.
states.
It's
I
very
can do
simple.
whatever tax is collected,
Mr.
we'll spend with
Deshpande,
UP and Bihar.
Mr.
That's what you mean.
Deshpande, let me give an answer. Let me give an answer.
You're not developing
Mr.
your own
Deshpande
state.
is living in
your
a cuckoo
own
land.
state, woman cannot go
Just
after
let
7
me
o'clock
allow
outside.
an answer.
And you are talking about
Allow
law
an
and order
answer,
of
sir.
Maharashtra. Please look into
Allow
your
an
state.
answer, sir.
Please look into your state.
First of
Make
all-
it a
first of
state
all-
where people can stay and
Well,
then talk about
please
Maharashtra.
put some order in this debate.
Yes, go ahead,
Navika.
Mr. Verma.
Yes, go on, Mr. Pavan Verma.
First of all, it's not as if Maharashtrians have not left Maharashtra and worked in other states. They are welcomed. They bring value addition.
There is no opportunity,
Who is
no
Mr.
development in your
Satish
state. Will come to
Deshpande?
your
Some
state.
kind of cuckoo.
Mr. Pawan
Some
Kumar.
kind of cuckoo
There is
land
no
he lives
development in your state.
He is
Who will
doing
come
a
to your
great
state?
disservice.
Why we
He
should
is
come
doing
when
a great
we are developed
disservice
our
to
own state? Why we should
Maharashtrians.
come to your state?
He is doing a
I'm
great
asking a
disservice.
simple question. There is
We are
no
all
development
Indians,
in Bihar.
sir, first.
There is no development
We
in
are all
UP.
Indians.
Why
But
Maharashtrian people will come to your
Mr.
state?
Deshpande, Mr.
Give me a single
Deshpande,
reason why we should come to UP and
Mr.
Bihar to do the
Deshpande,
job.
This kind of
simple
There is no
chauvinist,
development in your
fascist,
state.
racist
Why we should come?
Mr.
commentary.
I am
Mr.
asking you a
Mr.
simple
Mr.
question.
Mr.
You are
Satish
MP
should
of
also be-
you are MP of Bihar. What
An FIR
development you have made
registered
in your
against
state?
him.
Why Maharashtrian people should come all the way from Mumbai to Bihar? As if
Mr.
it is New York or
Deshpande.
something. Your state.
Mr. Deshpande, Maharashtrians live in Delhi, Maharashtrians live in Chennai, Maharashtrians live in Bengaluru. They
All
live
over
in
the
any part of
country,
this
and with pride.
country, various parts of this country. Do you
we are-
want
we are-
other states also to begin
Please
to
understand what I'm
target
saying.
Maharashtrians?
Please understand what I'm saying. I'm saying if they could have developed their own states, if there is an ample opportunity of jobs in their own states, why they should migrate to Maharashtra? These people
Because
are not
they
going
have
to
the
migrate.
right to.
That is the
The
problem that they are
Constitution
able to
allows them
migrate
to.
to Maharashtra.
The
and we are opposed
Constitution
to that.
allows them to.
What we are asking
Mr.
them.
Deshpande,
The elected
Constitution
representative
has
of
not
Bihar,
given
they
you
should
the
develop their
power
own
to
state.
decide that. The Constitution has not given you the power to decide that. The Constitution says that any person in this country
The Constitution
can travel from any
says
part of the country
80%
to
of
any
the
part
jobs-
of the country.
Let me make you very clear. Constitution says 80% of the job should be given to
Navika
the
and
locals.
Padmaja.
It is very clear in the Constitution. If
And
you
in
don't
fact,
know the
real
Mr.
issue is-
Deshpande, let me also remind
don't know
you that
which
you are very
constitution.
unfairly
I don't know which
discounting
constitution he
the
reads.
contribution of people who
Ask
come to
Mr.
Maharashtra
Malik.
from other states
Ask
in
Mr.
the
Malik.
development of
He was in the government, he will
The
answer the
labor
question.
force, the workforce which comes from other states is equally responsible for and deserves to be a partake of the development that Maharashtra has. It's not yours alone. You cannot abrogate that right to
They work
yourself.
there, they contribute to the development of Maharashtra, they pay their taxes there, they live there, they improve the place also. How can you not look at
Navika,
that
Navika.
aspect
And
of
they
people who
contribute
come
to the
from outside
economy.
Maharashtra? They contribute to the economy of Maharashtra.
Local people should get the opportunity first.
Let me say the real
and then
problem
the
is that
state
the
of
MNS
UP,
is
Bihar,
consigned
they can
to
come, but
political
local people
irrelevance.
should get the preference first.
And they are
you
trying
are not
somehow
develop
to
your
gain.
state. Why?
And I am really unhappy
There
that
are
the
laborers in our own state.
BJP
It is
government
not
of
that the
Devendra
labor from
Fadnavis
UP
has
Bihar
not
are only
condemned
working.
this, has not taken action, has not filed an FIR.
Arey, first
That's
you
the
look into your
whole
own
point, Prem
state. What is the
That's
affair in
the
your
whole
own
point,
state?
Prem
First look into your
Shukla.
own state. What is
Prem
the
Shukla
situation of law in your state? First look into the comment about that, then comment about Maharashtra.
Prem Shukla, the question really is at this point in time, why is the BJP being a silent spectator? They say it's a very convenient ploy to say investigations are going on, which can go on forever. There's already act of arson that has taken place yesterday. Are we waiting for more violence, more arson in the state? Just what is the action that's required to be taken by the BJP Shiv Sena combined government, which is looking at this hate politics playing out right in front of their own eyes?
बीजेपी कड़े एक्शन लेना जानती है। हार्दिक पटेल के साथ क्या हुआ गुजरात में, आपको ध्यान होगा। जो कोई कानून को हाथ में ले रहा है, कानून के हाथ उसके हाथों से बहुत लंबे हैं। निश्चित तौर पर ये कांग्रेस एनसीपी गवर्नमेंट नहीं है जो सुपारी देगी और उसके बाद सुपारी देकर उसका जो है पॉलिटिकल लाभ लेगी। नवाब मलिक जी जो कह रहे हैं, ये 2004-2009 में 2 बार इसका लाभ ले चुके हैं। इनको शक है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी भी यही काम कर रही होगी, इसलिए जिन्होंने जो प्रैक्टिस की है उसी प्रैक्टिस को दूसरे लोग भी फॉलो कर रहे होंगे, ऐसा उनके मन में आशंका होती है। राज ठाकरे जी को समझना चाहिए, काठ की हानि एक बार चढ़ती है, बार बार नहीं चढ़ती है। उनके खिलाफ एविडेंस मिले हैं और मिलते ही उनके खिलाफ कड़े
And in fact, it's something the BJP also should understand. Final last 20 seconds to Nawab Malik. Final 15 seconds. Nawab Malik has his hand up for quite some time. Nawab Malik.
Prem Sharma ji, a rickshaw is burned at Amboli. Police is saying who has burned, we don't know.
Have you got any
MNS
evidence
flag
against
was
him?
there. You are
Without
hiding
investigating,
something.
you want
are
to arrest
supporting
somebody?
MNS. Why not? You have been
Without,
taken any action.
have you gotten any
a
evidence
flag
that Raj
was
Thackeray
there.
has probed
A flag
and
was
someone has
there.
burnt the rickshaw? Because Raj
Beside
Thackeray
the
has probed.
rickshaw.
Have you gotten
And
any
this
evidence?
kind of a
Please
thing
show.
cannot be said.
Please
A
submit
police
the
is
evidence.
saying
Action
that
will be
we don't
taken.
know who burned it. A
Please
flag
submit the
was
evidence now. If you have
displayed
gotten
over
evidence,
there,
if you are
and
so
the
much
flag
confident
was
about everything,
burned over
The
there.
please
speech
submit
itself is
Convenient
evidence.
game of
Supporting Mr.
a
Thackeray.
convenient game of
Threaten the
I
people
Spy
in the
going
state.
on there
Threaten
between
the
the
migrant
BJP
in the
and
state.
the
Threaten
MNS.
the oath of
Clearly,
migrant. This kind of a
clearly at this point the BJP not willing to look in the direction that is being pointed. Is there going to be any action taken against Raj Thackeray? Can Raj Thackeray get away with the statements that he made, provoking virtual arson and violence in the state? That's the big question. The jury out on what the BJP's next step is going to be. Are they going to follow the Constitution of India, or are the MNS going to dictate their own constitution in Maharashtra? That all we have time for on this debate. Thank you very much to all our panelists for joining us.